Here's a look on this alert day. We're still tracking it on First Alert Radar, our biggest tool that we have here in the Weather Center. Live sweep is going around, and as you'll notice, once it gets to the line itself, it's going to paint on new information because the sweep goes around about a minute and a half, and that will definitely let us know exactly what's been happening. A couple of things I want you to keep in mind. This line that you see ahead of the main line of thunderstorms, that's the gust front. Once the thing passes you by, the winds are going to pick up in speeds quite intense. 50-mile-an-hour gusts can't be ruled out. Then we get into the torrential rain, but also notice something else. It's not very thick line at all. So once it passes, it's going to move through pretty quickly and the rain will stop. But the colder air will move in. Here are the line, almost too numerous to mention them, but right along the line itself is where we see the severe thunderstorm warnings. Pea-sized hail has been reported, so it hasn't been damaging in that regard, but the winds are still pretty strong and hefty in and out of St. Joe, going farther up Interstate 35 near Leavenworth and also down toward Lawrence. That's where you see it. Already the winds have picked up for you since the gust front has passed you by. But notice how the line itself is moving slowly toward the 435 loop, but the cells themselves are rushing to the northeast pretty rapidly. And as mentioned, Nick told me that he had to put on a jacket when he did his last report standing outside. Big temperature contrast, 52 in Maryville, 55 in St. Joseph. So you're going to get the rain first, the winds will pick up, the winds will switch, the colder air moves in and the temperatures will drop some 50 degrees between the 24-hour period of what we had earlier today and what we're expecting tomorrow. So we still have that severe weather risk. Damaging winds is still number one we have to worry about, and still have to talk about hail threat, but it doesn't look as large, and the tornado threat seems to be coming down quite a bit as the system continues to wrap up and move through. The line even may start to weaken a little bit. We'll look at that on First Alert Future Scan coming up in a few minutes.